Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Citroën C8, 2002 to 2008? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008 is positioned under the hood near the battery, protected by a plastic cover. It houses high-amperage fuses that safeguard critical systems such as the engine management, ABS ESP, ignition, headlights, fuel pump, and cooling fans. Dashboard fuse box. The dashboard fuse box of the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008 is located inside the passenger compartment, beneath the dashboard on the left-hand side, behind a protective cover. It contains fuses that safeguard various interior and convenience systems, such as the radio, central locking, and accessory sockets. Fuses on the battery. On the Citroën C8 2002 to 2008, there is a set of high-amperage fuses mounted directly on the positive battery terminal, housed in a protective fuse holder. These fuses protect heavy-duty circuits such as the alternator, starter motor, ABS ESP unit, power steering pump, cooling fan. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.